Hello everyone. Today, the world still relies on fossil energy, but we are facing a big challenge. Carbon emissions are increasing. Therefore, we need to find alternative energy solutions that are more environmentally friendly. One of them is biopellets made from palm fronds. So, in this video, we will discuss how this innovation can help reduce environmental impact and improve energy security.
Global energy demand is rising rapidly, projected to increase by 45% by 2030. However, fossil fuels still dominate as the primary energy source, leading to resource depletion and increasing carbon emissions, which accelerates global warming and environmental degradations. In Indonesia, energy sector emissions reaches 530 million tons of carbon dioxide in 2021 and are expected to peak at 706 million tons in 2039 if no sustainable alternative is adopted. This emission will continue to rise, threatening environmental stability and energy security. One promising solution is biopellets made from oil palm fronds. As the world's largest palm oil producer, Indonesia generates millions of tons of fronds waste annually. Rather than being discharged, this biomass can be repurposed into a renewable energy source with great potential. However, conventional biopellets production faces several challenges, including inefficient material utilization and dust pollution, which can impact both production efficiency and the environment. To address this issue, a closed process system or a CP system is proposed, aiming to reduce material loss, improve efficiency, and minimize environmental impact. The key question is, can this system optimize biopellets production while significantly reducing emission and waste? The study seeks to explore its feasibility and effectiveness as a cleaner, more sustainable energy alternative for the future.
Behind the wide expanse of green lies one of the vital lifelines of Indonesia's economy, palm oil plantation. These vast tracts of land are not merely cultivated fields, but the beating heart of an industry that sustains the livelihoods of millions of people. More than just a plant, oil palm represents a chain of opportunities, providing income for smallholder farmers, raw material for manufacturers, and exports commodities that drive national revenue. As the global demands for sustainable resources increases, Indonesia's role as the world's largest producer of palm oil becomes even more crucial. However, behind this productivity lies an untapped potential often overlooked: the palm fronds. Regular pruning of oil palm trees leaves behind tons of organic waste, usually left to rot on the plantation floor. But this waste, if managed wisely, can become a powerful asset, a renewable energy source. By converting these fronds into biopellets, Indonesia can take a strategic step toward cleaner energy, reduced carbon emissions, and better waste management.
The initial stage is to collect raw material, namely palm fronds, or we can say pelepah kelapa sawit. At this stage, the palm fronds will be chopped into palm frond shapes using a chipper machine. The chipper machine has the advantage of producing high-quality chopped palm fronds, which are cut into palm frond chips of uniform size under the action of a high-speed rotating knife. And this is a silent as a container for cheaper result. And then next into hammer mill process. The chips shape palm fronds into palm fronds powder. The palm fronds powder produced by this hammer mill still has a high moisture content. The percentage of water content in this palm fronds powder depends on the raw material used. Next is a rotary dryer. A rotary dryer is a machine used to dry or reduce the water content of palm fronds powder. This powder drying process takes about 15 until 20 minutes and it involves heating and stirring. After this stage, the palm fronds powder becomes very fine and dry and is ready to be processed in the next machine. The dry palm fronds powder will be mixed with liquid adhesive made from tapioca and sago. After mixing the adhesive liquid, the texture of the palm fronds powder will become moist and sticky. Then, the palm fronds powder will be pressed on the pallet machine to form, and ultimately, the palm fronds powder will become a long round pallet with a length ranging from 15 until 30 mm and a diameter of 8 until 12 mm. And yeah, this is the process schematic of CP system-based biopellet.
To date, global energy consumption has been dominated by fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. This heavy reliance on fossil fuels has not only led to large amounts of carbon emissions, but also accelerated the climate crisis the world is now facing. However, a new trend is emerging. The use of renewable energy sources such as biopellets is increasing, mainly due to their efficiency and much lower environmental impact. This is clearly seen in the comparison chart of energy consumption in 2020 and projection for 2030. In 2020, fossil energy still account for about 85% of energy consumption, while biopellets account for only 15%. However, by 2030, it is estimated that biopellet consumption will increase to 40% as the use of fossil energy drops to 60%. This data shows a clear shift towards renewable energy and the widespread acceptance of biopellets as an alternative fuel. In comparison, burning fossil fuels produces very high carbon dioxide emission. Meanwhile, biopellets made from agricultural waste, palm fronds being one of them, have a much smaller carbon footprint. The use of biopellets not only lowers air pollution levels, but also helps stabilize the Earth's temperature in the long run. As such, biopellets are a real solution to reduce emissions and improve environmental quality. More than just an alternative fuel, biopellets symbolize the transition to cleaner and more sustainable energy. By utilizing previously unused waste, we not only reduce environmental pollution, but also create economic added value. Biopellets promote a circular economy, reduce dependence on imported fossil fuels, and support the achievement of national targets in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. As such, biopellets bring new hope on the road to a green and sustainable energy future.
The utilization of palm fronds as biopellet is an innovative breakthrough in supporting energy security and reducing carbon emissions. By transforming agricultural waste into a renewable energy source, these biopellets offer a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative to conventional fuels. Their potential to replace fossil fuels can significantly contribute to environmental conservation and carbon footprint reduction. However, to maximize efficiency and ensure large-scale adoption, improvements in the production system are essential. Enhancing drying techniques, optimizing the compaction process, and adopting more energy-efficient manufacturing methods will not only improve the quality and performance of biopellets, but also make them more cost-effective and competitive in the renewable energy markets. Investment in advanced processing technologies can further boost their economic viability. Looking ahead, continued research and development are crucial to refining biopellets production and expanding its practical applications. Key areas of focus include increasing calorific value, improving durability against moisture, and conducting comprehensive environmental impact assessment. In addition, collaboration between research, industries, and policymakers are vital to establishing regulatory frameworks, incentives, and infrastructure that support the mass adoption of biopellets. With these strategic efforts, palm frond biopellets have the potential to become a key player in the global transition toward cleaner and more sustainable energy. By embracing innovation and sustainable practice, we can create a greener future while ensuring energy resilience for regeneration to come.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. It's time for us to contribute to the clean energy transition. Support the use of biopellets and renewable energy innovation for a greener future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support other educational content. See you in the next video.